Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a birthday notification for your Facebook page, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable birthdays push notifications on your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and head over to Facebook. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're on the main page, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu with all your pages and profiles. Now, find the page you want to manage and click on its name. You'll be taken to your page's main dashboard. Here, click on the page's profile photo again to access the page-specific options. Next, look for the Settings and Privacy option in the menu. Click on it, and then select Settings. This will open up a list of all the settings you can customize for your page. Scroll down until you see the Notifications tab on the left-hand side. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the different notifications you can manage for your page. Find the section labeled Birthdays and click on it. Now you'll see the option to enable push notifications for birthdays. Simply toggle the switch to the on position. Once you've done this, you'll start receiving push notifications whenever there's a birthday related to your page's followers or community. And that's it. You've successfully enabled birthday push notifications for your Facebook page on your PC. This way, you'll always be in the loop and can celebrate those special moments with your followers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.